Okay, we out here.
Gonna be taking off the front clip of the truck and the bed. Alright guys, one of the bolts that's tough to get to is gonna be back in here. Right? Back here right there. You can see that. Now to get this front clip off, it's tough. Had it with WD-40, especially it's rusted on the outside right here. There you go. So, some of these things were so rusty and tight in there, they're pretty much sealed up. But I'll tell you what, you want to get the job done easy. They say right tool for the job. This Milwaukee high impact torque wrench. My brother brought it over because I don't have one. So this is definitely not a plug. But that thing, freaking crank those things loose like it's nobody's business. So get you one of these, invest. I'm about to, gonna keep on working on this truck. Shoot. Alright guys, so all the bolts that need to come out, one right here, one right here, but I'm inside the truck right now. One right here by the radiator mounts on both sides. Inside here, there's a bolt right there on the driver's side that needs to come out, just one. You get it from the inside. On this side, both sides are square, so we had to take out the bracket on those two inside on the passenger side right here. And then of course up top here on the passenger side and underneath on both sides, right in the rear part of the fender where I showed you before. So I think we got them all. We're gonna try to pull this thing off. Let's see if it happens. Alright guys, we thought we had all the bolts off, but there's some little funky bar right here that is connecting the fender to the cab. So that was why we were trying to get it off and it wouldn't budge. But we should have the clip ready to remove now. Let's see. Okay, redo. The bumper was still attached to the frame. We got it off. I guess the bumper won't stay on there.
I was gonna say, this bumper was pulled off by the bus of Salinas. ¿Verdad tú?
It's on.
Is it on, really?
It's recording, yeah. Well, I guess I missed that part of the bumper. Look at that. Alright guys, we're just removing the bed underneath these bolts here. 1, 2, 3. They're connected underneath to the frame. So once we get those 3 bolts off, we should be able to pull the bed off too.
What are you doing under there?
Loosening the bolts of the bed.
Look at all that. Oh, my. Good thing you have a face shield. Yo! Alright. They're taking off the bed. Where are you guys gonna put the bed at? Okay.
The bolts out.
Whoa!
try this side. Yeah, but that's what it is.
What's that? Is it what?
Come here, you can see. Right here. See this little rod?
Wait, hold on. I can't see. You're in the way.
There's a rod right here. You can see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this rod right here connects to the frame. So we got everything out, but that little rod, it broke.
Come on, see. What else is stuff?
So up and that one should in the middle.
Wow. Oh, there it goes. Dang. Woo. Look at that. Ooh, dust it. Wow. Get that.
I think you should just get a whole new bed, man. I don't know how much this thing sells. You can see, you can unbolt the fenders off. Fenders.
The old bed. What swinging you doing over there?
This one, but you kept going. I was gonna say we needed. Oh, yeah.
It's alright. Alright, guys. The bed is off. Look at that. Are you happy?
Now we can see what all needs to be done.
Yeah. Look at that.
Work on the suspension and all that kind of stuff. Check the front too. Front clips off.
Where?
Engine bay.
Oh yeah. Ooh. Look at that. Wow. That crazy?
Got it down to the frame and the cab. Looks like there's a lot of rust and stuff, but we're gonna see what we can do with it. Might get it sandblasted or whatever, but hey, we got it off. Shout out to my bro coming through with the tools. Definitely wouldn't have been able to do it without his help. It's done. Stay tuned, man. We're still working on this thing. All right, y'all. Peace.